So today, I'm in Channel Islands Harbor and I'm about to go on an adventure. It's only 15 minutes from home, somewhere I'm pretty comfortable with, Anacapa Island. But I'm exploring it a different way than I usually do. Usually I'm up on the island, but today I'm on a kayak with Channel Islands Expeditions. We're taking the Sunfish out there, and I've been wanting to do this for such a long time, and I'm finally doing it. Yesterday's email told me to meet at Marine Emporium by 7:40 for check-in. The crew came up right on time, and I appreciated how they immediately emphasized safety.
We'll give you information, we'll give you recommendations, but we can't decide for you, so you have to take on that responsibility, okay? First choice is to hop on the boat with us.
Our guide, Mark, made sure we understood that this was a challenge by choice type of day, meaning we can opt out of any activities if we feel uncomfortable. Luckily, I kind of like feeling uncomfortable.
Take a good look at this because you're not going to see it again. I want you to see that ever again.
After the vessel safety briefing with the captain and crew, we were off. We had 12 miles of channel to cross before anchoring at Anacapa Island.
So we cross over to Anacapa Island on the Sunfish, which is the longest continual running boat serving the Channel Islands for bringing people back and forth. Island Packers had bought it in '78, and we had later acquired it from them, and it has been repowered and probably the trustiest steed. This boat itself, it was my first crossing for running commercial trips to the Channel Islands for kayaking the sea caves. And as well as it was, I'm not going to tell you the year, but myself and this boat were born the same year. So
1962.
it's actually been it's in a lot better shape. So
It's a bit chilly out here. It's a bit overcast, even though it's July. This is just normal for California. It's called June bloom. Sometimes May gray, July gray sky, August. It just goes on and on. But what it means is that we're having really calm conditions, because usually when it's sunny, it means that it's also windy and it's blowing all that fog out. So it means it's gonna be a beautiful day on the water. And we're getting closer. And in a second, we're gonna go put on wetsuits and start gearing up and getting ready. But we're getting dropped off at the west end over here, and we're paddling down to the east end over here. Now this is the closest point in the Channel Islands to the mainland, but it was still a 12-mile journey. You definitely feel really remote at this point. The fog is kind of concealing the mainland mostly, so we're out here. We anchored just off Keyhole Arch and planned to paddle downwind for the next couple hours until we would hopefully reach the famous Anacapa Arch on the far eastern tip, where we have the chance to snorkel in the beautiful kelp forest Anacapa's famous for.
cut. What was I drinking this morning? My Cheerios. So we're gonna go poke around and see caves, go through some arches, see a lot of marine bird life. Maybe a few sea lions and harbor seals come visit us and say hi and follow us along the way. But let's go find some adventure. And like I was telling somebody else here, it's not about kayaking. The kayaking just happens to be like our shoe for today. Like if you were hiking on the island, your shoe is what carries you over the terrain. Today, the kayak carries us over the terrain. We're assuming none of you have learned, know how to kayak, and we're going to teach you some details of how to get down the sea caves. So let's go have some fun. Woohoo!
Your legs over. Don't push back just yet. Let me fix that seat for you. You guys are all set. Let me unhook the bed. All right, you're up.
Just pushed off from the boat, and I'm gonna join all my friends, all my new friends over here.
You guys give her 2 boat lengths, you give him 2 boat lengths, and we're all good.
So the groups are starting to go in. I'm the second group, so I'm just doing a little bit of sightseeing. There's a baby pelican up there making some funny noises. It's nesting season, so it's pretty cool. So this is called Crystal Cave.
So this opening here has been created by the fault that's over our head. And up ahead, what we call crystal ball, is a big mooring pole. It got itself lodged up into the ceiling.
Yeah. Hello. It's so clear under this water too. Look at a little crab.
That is Anacapa Forest.
This cave's definitely making some deep rumbling noises and it's pretty fun. Ah, it's so skinny. It's so skinny. Did I mention I'm not that good at kayaking? Here we go. What a mess. This is cool. Coming in hot. Sorry, coming in hot.
Coming on. All right, so you guys come up right on the side of me. Give me your paddle. When we came in here, there was lobsters on the wall. They actually splashed away. Okay, look down, see where the light is? Look down here, let's see what we got. We got a bunch right here, over here by Brittany.
Over me?
I think
By me?
Right here, come up here, let's see.
Yeah.
See that one crawling right there?
Where are
Oh,
we?
big rock. Look at the nest underneath Brittany.
Ooh.
You see that, Brittany? Right underneath you? You
Yeah,
ready?
here, shine
I'll
the
get
light
the
on
light.
it.
Hold on, I'll get the light. You ready? Okay, check this out. Right underneath you is like freaking masses.
Whoa.
Look how big that one is.
Whoa, it's huge.
Look at all these. Look at that. That's crazy, huh?
That's a lot.
They're all over here. That's what happens when you protect them.
I know, right? I know. There's so many. Quite pretty. Okay. We're gonna jump in on your side. I got out on
Okay, you got it.
Thank you. Wow, their necks are so cool.
Picked a damn good day.
It's almost not exciting enough.
I know. I got a
It's
couple.
like the
things.
best conditions
I know,
ever.
right?
Cormorants up there. Oh. Dropping fertilizer into the water. This is the side of Anacapa Arch. Some sea lions.
Playful, huh? Playful little guy. Good little show off.
Well, the kayak tour is almost over. Kind of sad, not gonna lie. But the sun's coming out, which means it's gonna be perfect weather for snorkeling and jumping in and getting wet. Because if it was sunny this whole time, I would be way too hot. I'm starting to cook in this wetsuit. We'll see if the sea lions want to play.
We'll get you situated.
You're paddling. Hang on to it.
Yep.
Pull you in.
Perfect.
All right, cool.
All set.
Thank you. I'm
I'll
gonna
let you
grab
get
this
your,
out.
yeah.
hot water shower, which is literally so good. Because I'm literally always cold.
They know, they come right up to me and
So
I'm like,
cold all the time.
Oh my gosh.
Snorkeling was so much fun. It was so pretty and so clear, and there are so many animals under there. It's insane, the amount of diversity and like life down there. And the sun came out at literally the perfect time because I am defrosting. But yeah, just thawing out. Getting ready to eat some food and maybe just enjoy this like literally like the flattest day ever out here.
Alright, yeah. Let's get them. Cheese! Alright, there you go.
Excuse all the random stuff in my hands. That was awesome. That was one of the coolest things, if not the coolest thing I've done in Channel Islands National Park. Highly recommend. About to drop some stuff. Yeah, I'm super excited to go on the one to Painted Cave. Definitely doing that next. Stay tuned.